Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a s'more in the microwave. All you're going to need is graham cracker, Hershey's chocolate, and a marshmallow. So you're going to want to break the Hershey's in half and the graham cracker, which I have already done for you. Then you're going to take one of these and you're going to put it down in the center of a plate. And then you're going to take one of these and put it in the center of the plate. And you're going to move that over about right there. And then you're going to do the same for the other graham cracker. Now you need to take your marshmallow and you want to put it on the bigger one, which is this one. And then you want to put it in your microwave for 20 seconds. And it's going to be most likely off onto the plate, and you're just going to want to push it up. So if you have a microwave like mine, you can just press this, and if you don't, then put cook time and then 20 seconds. So let's watch it. And you just let it sit in there for about 20 seconds or 13 seconds. It really depends on you. By 13 seconds, it's already, see? So, just like that. And if this stuff is still movable, you can just set it on top, like so. And then just like that. And now you have a perfectly good chocolatey s'more. I hope you guys liked the video. Put a thumbs up and bye.